go. So y'all know the rules. First two for the king of the block. In 3, 2, oh shoot, he got his own. Okay, you got your own little tactic. All right. Hold on. I see you here. Oh man, wow. you're good. Because somebody got the wrong boats. Hey, main design is in the building. What's going on, baby? Dino in the building with the kids. Oh, man. It's almost finished. Oh, she's got the water pump on now. She's going for the intake. All right, back to back. Come on, baby. Who's winning it? It's tight. It's so close. Here we go. Spin it, spin it. Come on, Paul. Come on, Joe. Let's go, baby. So close. My pinky toe. Give it up for Paul, y'all. Give it up for Joe. Give it up for both of them. So look, that was freaking dope. Shake hands. Guys, in 3, 2, 1, go! Let's get it. Come on. Oh, they're both starting off with the intake manifold. This is interesting.